back to another video. I have this Nerf gun, and it has 6 darts in it, and I have a balloon there, and I'm gonna try and hit it with the Nerf gun, and the wind is blowing, so it's gonna be a little hard, so I'm gonna try and shoot it. Okay, so I hit 3 bullets on the balloon out of 6 bullets. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys next time. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share. Bye!